This is the H7 standalone smartwatch phone running Android 6 with not only full Android support, but health and fitness as well. You have all the different exercises that actually invoke the use of the GPS for accurate tracking information on this watch. You have a full app drawer, including a little side camera over here. You also have a button that you can use it below. You have two buttons on the side. You have a barometric pressure indicator, altitude. You've got weather. You've got a compass in this one as well. Heart rate monitor. Your step count and wind calibrated. An easy to use direct compass with nice big digits. It's the H7. Check it out.